Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm thinking of putting some radish in this bed, and that's what's going on. I know it's Hey guys, it is March 24th. Oh, man, we're in the mid-60s. We're gonna go down into the 20s over the weekend, overnight, Saturday night, into Sunday, Friday into Saturday, something like that. But I've been, I amended this, which you guys saw in the video, and I put a thermometer in here, and it's been staying 60s to 70s. Granted, it's been a little warmer, but that 20-some degrees isn't gonna stay. So I'm thinking, I got radishes that they've outgrown. Let me grab one. Here we go. For the pipe people here, I'm enjoying it's a crown pipe. I got it for free a couple years ago, and I have some Cornell and Deal Byzantine. It's got a big funny name. It's in English. It's pretty nice on a nice day like this. These are kale. They're not going in today. These are the wasabi radish, and these are just run of the mill. Got some French, got some clove, stuff like that. As you can see, they're ready to go. So moisten them up a little. I'm gonna moisten this bed up. I got my new dipper, you'll get to see. And I'm gonna plant some radishes. I'm gonna close the hood, put my thermometer in there, and I'm gonna hope for the best. So, here we go. I'm gonna moisten this down because it seems kind of dry. I'm gonna get into a little dry. Also want to have it moist, and that way it just things seem to go a little better for me. Right, I'm gonna let that soak in for a minute, just to get in, just to break that crust on top, really. But I have 42 plants, and I think I can get them close in here. These are gonna crop real fast, because I'm thinking of carrots for here. Show you my dipper. So this was a old shovel handle that broke, and got my spoke shave and sandpaper and took it down. So this is the first year I'm gonna try it. Before I was using just like this, and it was too wide. So anyways, I'm gonna set my pipe down. I always have the worst time popping them out of the cells. And these are those goofy little cells that were in, these were an old burpee tray, but I liked them because they were small. Wish me luck. Well, I got 5 to keep them nice and not too crowded. But I got some space over there, so when I'm done, maybe we'll toss a couple in there. But now I'm gonna try to get them out, which I have the hardest time doing. They just never come out. Hey, not too bad. I think the dipper holes need to be a little bit bigger. Okay, well, that's the radishes in there. I'm gonna water them in just a little bit, just to give them a little drink to keep them in there, keep them, you know, piece of coal. Water them in just a little bit because, and most of them came out of the seed tray really nice. I've been wanting to go for the smaller ones. Charles Dowding is now selling the smaller ones, which I really want to get them. But I don't live in England, but I think I found a place in the States that does sell them. Use the pencil to pop them out because they're flimsy and the hole's not real big. But I'm gonna put a little bit of water on here. Everybody's marked. Everybody's in a nice row. And after that, I got a few extras in that one cell right there. I'm gonna go pop them in over there. But I'll grab the camera, get a little close-up shot too. But I'm gonna water them in. I am a habitual overwaterer too, by the way, but what are you gonna do? Let me grab the camera and show you. Oh, look at that. So we have some French, some Champion, some Crimson, and these are wasabi. They came free from Baker Creek Seeds, and I'm real curious. Over there I did plant some single seeds under that hoop, but here I did the multi-sow, except for that one because I don't know what happened to the other guys. I don't know if you're supposed to multi-sow those types of radishes, but hopefully we get some nice radish crop. Well, hey, that's planting some radishes. That's what's going on at Noah's house today. I'm probably gonna attach this with my onion video because it was short. I'll chop this up and make it short. Today it's Thursday, 24th, planting some radishes in Zone 6B in North for Sales. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and hey, have a good weekend. We'll see you. Bye.